and 5th class. Please welcome to the dignitaries on this dais.
I heartily welcoming Sri Padacharya Garu to the president of this program. And I am heartily welcoming Srimati Anuradha Ma'am Garu on the dais. Thank you.
Requesting Hindu 5th class, please introduce the elders who are on the dais and off the dais.
Good morning to everybody. I am Hindu. Now I am going to introduce the dignitaries who are on the dais and off the dais. At first, I am introducing Sripada Chari Garu, President of this program. And then I am introducing the elders, Srimati Anuradha Ma'am Garu. She is the guest of this program and she is the government doctor in Santet Zarur. Thank you all.
Please give the permission to swear the Shishu Bharati members.